Hello and welcome to Piano Tips by Jean. I'm an experienced adjudicator and have been an educator for over 40 years. In this video, we will see a child learn to focus and achieve a good hand position while playing a scale. At the end, there will be links that you can click for more detailed explanation. Let's do G in the right hand. I want to say that your hand's a bit low. You notice it? So you're down a bit low, and when our hands are low, your fingers have to fight gravity, right? And they get a little tighter. If you raise it up, your fingers can hang down from your hand, all sleepy-like. Now, it's sitting tall. Let's do the G scale once more. I'm going to hold it out. Press more, press more. And on the last note, we'll make a swan and then lift. Okay? See if you can do that on your own. Good. Now stop for a second. Did it stay tall?
No.
Do you know why?
No.
Because your thumb is lying down. That's the most common reason. Our thumbs come out of the side of our hand, right? And they're lying down a bit. So if you're starting your scale like this, nice and tall, then you play your thumb, boom, it all falls down, and then it's hard to bring it back up again. So let's just play the thumb, like open door. How are you? Open the front door. And doesn't matter, doesn't matter. That's how you're going to play your thumb when you're playing your scale. Okay? Let's try the scale again with your feet flat. The scale. Wait. Every time you go to play your thumb, push it down independently like open door. You dropped it. Oh, let's play a game. Every thumb that doesn't fall down your hand, you get a point. Every time you play thumb and your whole hand falls, I get a point. Okay. One for you. Go ahead. Two for you. Three for you. Four for you. Keep going. Five for you. Wow. And a swan at the end and hold it. And then let go. Look what you can do. Play the scale. And you need to look at your hand, darling. If you don't look at it, the hand's going to be like, she's not looking, guys. We can just drop if we want to. She won't even know. Oh, yeah, we don't have to try so hard. But if you're staring at, I'm watching you, that hand will behave way better. Okay? Okay?
If you enjoyed this video, please click to subscribe to enjoy more piano tips. Here are links that relate to this video for more detailed explanations. You can reach out to me through the contact form on my website. For more information, visit pianotipsbyjean.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you return again soon and have a wonderful week.